Here are 10 of the best AI tools for cartoon creation as of 2025, covering different aspects like drawing, animation, character design, and voiceover. 1. Toonify Purpose. Turn real photos or videos into cartoon-style versions. Use case. Stylizing human faces, cartoon avatars. Platform. Web-based strengths, easy to use, realistic stylization. 2. Adobe Illustrator Plus. Adobe Firefly. Purpose, create vector-based cartoon characters and scenes with AI-assisted design. Use case, professional cartoon illustration, comic books. Platform, desktop, Adobe Creative Cloud. Strengths, industry standard. Firefly adds generative AI prompts. 3. Cartoonize. Net purpose, convert photos to cartoons. Use case, quick cartoon profile pictures or avatars. Platform, web. Strengths, simple UI, one-click cartoon effects. 4. Animaker. Purpose, create animated cartoon videos with drag and drop tools. Use case, explainer videos, storytelling, marketing. Platform, web. Strengths, extensive cartoon character library, lip sync AI. 5. Vion Purpose, professional 2D animated video creation. Use case, business storytelling, educational cartoons. Platform, web. Strengths, pre-made cartoon assets, AI voice syncing. 6. Deep Motion Purpose, AI-powered motion capture for animating cartoon characters. Use case, add real human motion to 2D or 3D cartoon avatars. Platform, web. Strengths, auto-rigging and real-time animation. 7. ElevenLabs. Purpose, AI voice cloning and dubbing. Use case, cartoon character voiceovers with expressive emotions. Platform, web. Strengths, realistic voices, multi-language support. 8. Character AI, cartoon version. Purpose, generate cartoon character personalities with AI chat. Use case, interactive storytelling or character development. Platform, web. Strengths, AI chat with custom cartoon characters. 9. Artbreeder. Purpose, create and evolve cartoon faces using AI. Use case, stylized character creation, anime cartoony styles. Platform, web. Strengths, genetic style blending of traits, community gallery. 10. Sora by OpenAI, for animation, if when available to you. Purpose, generate entire cartoon scenes from text prompts. Use case, animated short films, storyboarding. Platform, web for select users. Strengths, high-quality animation from simple descriptions.